Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a new educational course. This course is ideal for those who want to learn how to run effective Google Ads and launch profitable campaigns. It's perfect for business owners, marketers, and freelancers aiming to increase their digital advertising revenue, and for individuals looking to quickly and practically master the basics and advanced concepts of Google Ads. This course is rated 5 stars and currently costs around €40. It has a duration of 3.5 hours, and you'll receive a certificate upon completion. Once you purchase the course, you will have full access to it and benefit from future updates. Here's what you'll learn during the course. How to launch your first profitable Google Ads campaign, step by step. The basics of Google Ads in record time. How advertising works on Google's search network. Choosing the right advertising goals for each campaign. How to structure the account with campaigns, ad groups, and ads. Understanding how Google Ads auctions work. Setting a bidding strategy aligned with your objectives. Increasing your quality score to pay less and gain better positions. Using geographic and language targeting to maximize results. Choosing the most suitable campaign type, search, display, YouTube, etc. Creating attractive ads that encourage clicks, and many other valuable insights. Now I have an exciting offer for you. I want to legally give you full access to this practical course for free. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Next, open your browser, and in the Google search engine, type the address couponcenter5.com. Click on the link shown in the search results. Make sure the site address is the same as the one shown here, and you'll be directed to couponcenter5.com. Once on the homepage of the site, you'll find various discount coupons for courses. Use the search bar to find the course you're interested in. When you find it, scroll down and click the button Go to the course. The course will now be available for you for free. Please note that the coupon has a limited time validity. Now, with just a few clicks, you have legal and free access to this course. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.